Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio or play music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 SKODA Yeti. So telephone's paired, we go to music. I'm just going to turn this down. You'll see there, if I click the 3 red circles, gosh, my fingers don't seem to be working this morning. You'll see there, you've got a choice, iPhone or SKODA BT 9070. There's a tick next to SKODA, so that's right. We'll go back to the record, we'll click play. It will play any audio that's playing on your mobile through this system if you've clicked the right buttons. So there's a record playing there. We go to media, click media. That's it there. It's showing, if I turn this up, it'll be playing this. Now, if it doesn't come on there, you have a source button here. Click source button, and you've got, so for argument's sake, if we just go back there, this is playing. We go over to media, click media, but it's on auxiliary. It's not showing my phone. What you have to do then is click source. BT audio, we'll just turn this up and then turn it up here. And that's it. That's how you play music.